This is Everything by Daigle in the key of C. I hope you love this simplified way to chord along to this song and have a lot of fun. Make sure to stop the video, click on the description below, and I have the chord sheet that you can print out and follow along with me. Okay, so let's take a look at the chords that are in this song. We have C, F, G, and then we have E minor and A minor. So just those 5 chords. Let's take a look at what those look like. We have C, note by these 2 black notes. C, E, G makes up a C chord. Okay, then we could play F chord. Move up here, you find the 3 black notes. To the left of that one is an F note. F, A, C. Okay, then move up 1 note, and that's going to be a G chord. G, B, D. Okay, then our A minor is just 1 note up from that again, and we have A, C, E. And then our E minor, we can go C, D, E. So E, G, B. That's an E minor. So I want to say this by saying you could play the E minor here if you'd like, or you can come down here. Or you could play the C here, or you could play the C here. There's a lot of flexibility. Don't feel locked into how I'm playing it or teaching it. Okay, let's look at the left hand. We have, let's just play thumb on C. We can line up our 5 fingers, and then you don't have to really move your hand this whole song. Let's play C note with C chord, okay? The E minor, I'm gonna go up here, and I'm gonna open my thumb to this E. I don't wanna move my hand out of position. I just wanna swing that thumb open, play that E note, okay? Then you don't lose your hand placement for this right hand. All right, so that's our E minor. Okay, then we have A minor, A in the bass, G, and F. Okay, the rhythm that we're going to bring the 2 hands together is what I call a together, right, together, right. Together, right, together, right. Together, right, together, right. You can practice that on that E minor by opening your thumb up here in the left hand. Together, right, together, right. Together, right, together, right. Okay, just practice that through those chords. I'm going to sing verse 1 a little bit so you can see how bringing the vocals together with that rhythm sounds, okay? And even the sparrow has a place to lay its head, so why would I let worry steal my breath? And even the roses you have clothed in brilliant red, still I'm the one you love more than this. See that nice marching rhythm? It just is such a beautiful backdrop for the melody to rest. So your melody is the vocals that you're singing in, or if you're playing along with somebody else singing, it just is such a good foundation to have when you're playing piano. So I'm just going through, when you see the chord written above the word, that's when you change the next chord. So even the sparrow, keep going, has a E minor, place to lay its head. Then move to the A minor. So why would I let, and we're going to stair step down, worry steal my, down again, breath. Back to that C. Roses. You have E minor, clothed in brilliant red. Okay, we're going to do that stair step again. Still, I'm the one you love more than this. You give me C chord, everything. You give me E minor, everything. You give me A minor, into that bridge. When I can't see you, leave me. When I can't, E minor, hear you show me. When I can't stand, you carry me. And when I'm lost, you will find me. When I'm weak, you are mighty. You are, A minor, everything I need. You give me everything. And then you can go into that chorus. So let's talk about those patterns. C, E minor, A minor, G, F is the patterns for verse 1 and 2. So go through that with your right hand, maybe strip your left hand out altogether. Then your chorus is C, E minor, A minor, F. And if you look at the bridge, there's a lot of similarities to that as well. It kind of mimics the verses again. So notice those patterns, realize there's repetition, and that'll take out the overwhelm for you. I'm going to play it beginning to end. Here we go.